Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of buy now, pay later services, specifically Beforepay. These apps have exploded in popularity, promising a convenient way to spread out payments. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's ask a crucial question: is Beforepay truly trustworthy? Now, Beforepay paints a rosy picture. They advertise quick access to cash, interest-free transactions, and budgeting tools. Sounds like a financial lifesaver, right? Well, hold on a sec. There's more to the story than meets the eye. So, let's dissect the trust factor of Beforepay. We'll explore both sides of the coin, the good, the bad, and the financially ugly. First up, the good stuff. Beforepay does offer a few advantages. Instant gratification. Need that new gadget right away? Beforepay lets you split the cost into smaller chunks so you can snag that purchase without waiting for your next paycheck. No interest. Unlike credit cards, Beforepay doesn't charge interest on your transactions. This seems fantastic, but remember, there's always a catch. Budgeting tools. Beforepay boasts budgeting tools to help you manage your finances. This can be helpful, but it's crucial to have a solid budget in place before using any buy now, pay later service. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the not-so-good aspects of Beforepay. Transaction fees. Beforepay charges a flat fee for each transaction, typically around 5%. This might seem small at first, but those fees can quickly add up, especially if you make frequent purchases. Hidden costs. There are no late fees, but Beforepay restricts your account until you settle outstanding debts. This can be inconvenient and potentially lead to further financial strain if you rely on the service. The temptation trap. Beforepay's ease of use can be a double-edged sword. It's tempting to overspend with the mindset of "I'll just pay it off later." This can snowball into a cycle of debt. Here's where things get a bit dicey. Some critics argue that Beforepay preys on vulnerable users, particularly young adults and those with limited financial literacy. The flashy app and focus on instant gratification can mask the true cost of using the service. So, is Beforepay a trustworthy financial tool? It depends. Beforepay can be a decent option for occasional purchases if you have a solid budget and self-control. However, if you struggle with impulse buying or managing your finances, Beforepay might not be the best choice. Here are some key takeaways before you decide. Do your research. Understand Beforepay's fees and limitations before signing up. Budget ruthlessly. Only use Beforepay for planned purchases that fit within your budget. Beware of overspending. Don't get caught in the buy now, pay later trap. Remember, financial responsibility ultimately lies with you. Beforepay is simply a tool, and like any tool, it can be used wisely or misused. So, is Beforepay trustworthy? The answer lies in how you use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.